Holy moly. That's lighter than I thought. What it does is open up the switches, like the lighting a little bit at the back, or the RGB for the Xtrfy, which we don't care about. Short for gram. Now on the MZ, I want to cut some of the LEDs off, but probably leave these on. I think the PCB is a bit risky, so now we'll try and pull out this post. I bet desoldering it, but I guess we'll cut this. So now I trimmed it down. Oh, 0.6, okay. Got the magnetic shell, right? Clips to here, that keeps the rear on. We could glue it, which I think we're going to do, so we can trim out this back piece. There's quite a bit of weight in there. That means you're going to be fixed with a rear shell. You also get these little wing bits, see? Where this kind of hooks under it. Oops. Show you properly. So it kind of gets under it. And if we're going to glue the rear shell on, right, we can probably trim out at least most of these clips. We'll get the two front ones, but we'll clip out all these. Obviously still looks the same. You gotta see what's going on, right? I can't see otherwise. So not even a gram, probably just under a gram. So the next bit is, let's trim out this rear part then. Let me weigh this actually. Refresh our memories. So just under 15. Comes in, so subtract that, but you get the idea. I mean, it's nearly 3 grams, it's saying. That's what it's looking like so far. Right, so I think this is finished. We'll have to glue the rear on. Actually, I can pin out these pins now because we're gluing the. It's got good enough clips, so these can come out. Bit better. So this is without the buttons. So with all the buttons and stuff, it was 15 grams. So 4 grams out of it, that's pretty good, I think. I would say. That's what the base looks like. Right, so far so good. Now we're going to trim out the 3D or the wrapping bit. Probably should have done that first. Right, so there we go. That's all you're going to be able to do to that, I would say. Oops, a bit close. Anyone remember what the weight of the base was? Anyone want a cat's tail? Right, let's put it together. What's the weight we think we're going to get out of this? So we can't. I'm going to glue the back on just yet, because in case I want to flick it around a little bit. Just, to be fair, you can probably play with it like that anyway. It'd stay on anyway, even while you're gluing it. Holy moly, that's lighter than I thought.